Hi, this is Anil from Learning Lad and welcome back to the Windows 10 tutorials for the beginners. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set the screensavers in the Windows 10 operating system. So here, first we're going to see how we can open up the screensaver settings window in the Windows 10 operating system. And then we're going to see how we can set the screensavers. So here I'm going to show you the two methods which can be used to open up the screensaver settings window. So one way of opening up the screensaver settings window is you need to right click here on the desktop and then you need to click on personalize, and it will open up the personalization, and here you need to click on this lock screen, and in the bottom you guys can see screensaver settings. Just click on this and it will open up the screensaver settings window. Another way of opening up the screensaver window is you just can search for the screensaver, and then you have the option of change screensaver, turn screensaver on or off. Click on any of these options. They both are going to open up the screensaver settings window. So just click on that and it will open up the screensaver settings window. So here in this window you can set the screensaver for your computer. So here by default the screensaver will be none, and if you click on these options you guys can set the 3D text, blank, bubbles, mystify, photos or ribbons as the screensavers. So here we're gonna see how we can set the 3D text. So I'm gonna select the 3D text here, and you guys can see the preview of the screensaver here in this window. And if you click on these settings, you guys can make the settings for this screensaver 3D text. So here you guys can select the custom text which will appear in the screensaver, or you guys can select this time. And here you guys can see I have the text Learning Lad Rocks, and also you guys can choose the font, and you guys can choose resolution, size, and for motion you guys can choose the rotation type, and also you guys can set the rotation speed, and also you guys can select the surface style. And once you're gonna do your settings, just click on OK, and it will apply those settings to your screensaver. So if you guys want to check out the preview, you guys can click on this button which says preview. It will preview the screensaver according to the settings you have done, and then you guys can select the time interval which will be used to activate the screensaver after a particular time interval of inactivity in your computer. So here I have set the time interval as 5 minutes, and then if you guys want to display the log on screen after resuming from the screensaver, then you guys can click this option. I don't want that, so I just gonna uncheck that. And once you guys select your screensaver, then you guys can click on this apply and OK to apply the screensaver. So apart from this 3D text, we have the options like blank, which will be which will set a blank screen as a screensaver, and also you guys can select the bubbles. I'm just gonna select that and click on this preview. You guys can see the bubbles, and also you guys can select mystify, ribbons, and also you guys can select photos as the screensavers. So if you select the photos and if you click on the settings, you guys can select your own photos which will appear as the screensavers. So you just need to provide the folder which contains the images, and also you guys can set the slideshow speed. So it's just gonna slideshow the images which you have in the specified folder. So once you're gonna select your screensaver, just click on apply and OK. It will set the screensaver on your computer. So this is it, guys. This is how you guys can set the screensaver in the Windows 10 operating system. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out my website learninglad.com for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.